Hello po, former Senator. I would just like to ask, kasi earlier this year, sinabi niyo po na hindi na po kayo tatakbo for next year's elections. I wonder what changed your mind po. Salamat.
Okay, a lot of factors. Totoo po yun. Hindi po ako nagbalak na tumakbo kahit anong posisyon, not even for senator. Kasi marami pa akong aayusin din sa buhay ko, sa family. Because, you know, I've been out. They jailed me for almost 7 years. I wanted to rebuild my life. But I was also going around with various activities and various events, lalo na po sa mga eskwelahan, mga universities and colleges. And I was able to interact with a lot of people, especially young people. And many of them were asking, hindi ko ba kayo babalik sa Senado? Hindi ko ba kayo tatakbo? And I said, hindi muna. And then more and more, especially when we were exposed to the various sectors, and then of course, yung mga kasamahan ko sa ML and also sa LP, kasi ML nga is the sectoral wing of LP, then I was convinced that I think this would be another stage, another part of my journey na karugtong lang ho ng aking mga naging journey noon na nagkikilaban, na may mga pinaglalaban ng mga kausa na I think this time around, mas focus tayo sa marginalized. Kasi ang mga sektor po, ang iba't ibang sektor, ang siyang haligi ng ating lipunan. And nangangailangan sila panahon na para bigyan sila ng mas malakas na boses. At habang isusulong namin sa ML yung kapakanan ng mga marginalized sectors, yan din ang pagkakataon na makikipag-engage kami sa diskurso ng mga napaka-importanteng suliranin at issue ng ating bayan. Marami na po tayong nakikita ang mga issue ngayon, maraming mga nangyayari ngayon, yung maraming mga naglalabasan na mga revelasyon. And very much aligned din to sa mga core advocacies ko na alam nyo naman, yung karapatang pantao, yung demokrasya, rule of law, justice, good governance. At itong mga sektor na to, bagamat iba-iba rin ang kanilang mga aptitude at iba-iba rin ang kanilang mga hangarin, they are all bound by the overarching cause of social justice. So, ML will fight for social justice of the marginalized sectors, and we will fight against systemic injustices. Thank you.
Ma'am, many are speculating that your political comeback is both revenge and redemption. Dahil dun daw sa, yung babalikan nyo raw, yung mga gumawa ng injustices sa inyo. And probably, marami pang former Senator Laila De Lima yung nasa pilitan ngayon because of injustices. Your stand on this?
I will always fight for justice for anyone, because justice is for all. Just like human rights are for all, justice is for all. Now about redemption, yes, I have attained actually redemption. I have attained vindication. The truth came out about my innocence. The truth came out that these were all invented accusations. No, I was vindicated. When my 3 cases were dismissed, I was absolved from all these trumped up charges. No, but I've been saying also that I cannot attain full vindication if hindi rin sila mapanagot sa mga ginawa nila sa akin. You know, false prosecution, fabrication of evidence. Pero hindi po yan yung pinaka-objective po natin na tumakbo at maging part na naman of the public sphere. Because I will be working for justice, but more for justice for everyone else. My lawyers will work on the cases to be filed against my tormentors, against my oppressors, but that aim, that objective will not at all affect the fulfillment of my duties if and when palarin po ako na maging miyembro ng House of Representatives.
Thank you.
Thank you.